This is Red Abyssinian Banana, the perfect plant for anyone looking to inject their garden with a tropical feel and a splash of colour. With its large and colourful paddle-like leaves, Ensete Maurelli is a great way to liven up a corner or act as a garden centrepiece. These lush and fast-growing perennials come supplied in pots approximately 1 to 1.5 litres in size. They can also be kept as houseplants or in a conservatory. Just make sure they get plenty of direct sunlight. These look great on the patio or on a deck, especially when planted in a group. Put enough of these together and you'll have your own small tropical jungle. This ornamental banana is unusual because the foliage has dark maroon and an almost velvety texture, all held together by the striking blood red stems. Gardening Express also supplies a large version of this plant, in approximately 5 to 7 litre containers. The Red Abyssinian banana is easy to care for and an excellent plant for any tropical garden.